Christian, what day is it? Yeah, it's true waffle day. Right? And yes, we were able to dock at Castaway.
Can I borrow your medal for a second?
We just won trivia. Bella and Daddy and
Yeah, Christian, Grandma, and I, we won. We beat Daddy by 2 questions.
Yep.
But the ones that we beat them by, we guessed and got lucky. So, yay! And now we're gonna go get off the ship. Hi, Daisy! We are on the very windy island, where I hope you can hear me. You wanna grab towels or no?
Probably got 1 towel.
Well, they're right there. Hi, boaty boat. It's very windy. I'm probably going to have to take all the sound out of this because it's so windy. Look at the Christmas tree. Christmas tree with the Mickey topper and the sand people, but I'm not standing in line to get my picture with them. To the observation tower. Oh, that would probably be more helpful. Over the edge. Yes. Thank you. On the runway again, out of the loop. We went up the observation tower and it was very windy. And Christian is giving me a spoiler-free version of Kingdom Keepers with the spoilers bleeped out. All right, we went down to the end of the runway, and Christian and I are back in the loop for the second time. Well, Daddy and Bella and Grandma are going back towards the beach. The sun is really heating up. The backpack is open. Can you close the backpack, Christian? Yeah. So we're gonna finish out the 5K. Christian and I decided we were walking the whole 5K, so we were gonna get the medals, right? Cool. It is so nice when the breeze is breezing and so hot when it's not. So we're gonna walk down to the family beach. Daddy just texted to say, well, maybe he texted while we were out there, I don't know. Cell signal out there, not good. Well, internet. Out there on the 5K path, not good. Here, good. So we are going to find them and put our feet in the water, I think. Play in the sand a little bit. The glasses are falling off.
It's not a game of chance anymore for how long it takes.
Love it.
Except here. The boss refuses to use them.
Bella's finishing your mac and cheese. You got potato salad and a cookie and a brownie, and I got some fruit for like everybody's. Christian, what'd you get? Hamburger and mac and cheese, cornbread, got a chicken sandwich, and wind. Yeah, very good. Okay. Lunching time. Okay, how was kayaking, Christian?
Draining holes in it, but
Yeah.
it was very windy. We got floated out, and then we had to work our way back in. So we let the waves and wind take us all the way out to the breakwater. Then we turned around, came back in. Then we went to the ship, and then came back in.
Was it fun? Oh yeah.
Yeah, he did really good. Having done the canoe merit badge hands-on portion, he knew what he was doing, and it was really good.
Cool.
I almost let him just do it, and I just kind of steered for a while.
Yep, glad it was fun, and it was what, $29 for the
$29
two-seater?
Yep, for a two-seater, 30 minutes for 2 people.
Very cool. Almost back to the ship, which means almost back to real life. No. Hey, guess what? Okay, hang on. 4, 6. Okay, see the portholes on 6?
Yeah.
And then you go back. Okay, there's a really long balcony, right? Level with the flag, really long balcony with 2 portholes. That room, that last balcony before that, is where we were in Europe. Smile! Bye, Castaway. Bye, Castaway. You were fun. See you next time. Bella got soup.
I won't have to eat it.
Ooh, and a burger. You want ketchup? Christian got burger and pizza. Lobster ravioli. Christian's like, oh yeah, we showed you burger. Christian's like done with his food. And the wild mushroom and bacon tart. Christian made a pizza burger.
With french fries and a slice of pizza.
Yum. And Sunday, lemon raspberry, pecan, and we both got the sticky date pudding because that's what we do. Ooh, it's fun to watch the frame rate and the lights not get along. Christian, how's your lunch? Dinner and breakfast and everything. You had a good day? How was your burger and pizza?
Good.
How was your Sunday?
Good.
Good. And your salad?
Good.
Cool.
$100 got pulled from behind my ear.
That's crazy. So you had a good day?
I think there might be a lot of storage in my hair.
Maybe. You do have a lot of hair. Kind of like Coco. You have fluffy hair. Right. Okay, we're gonna move Bella over to talk about her food. Bella, how was your dinner?
I'm so because my throat is sore.
Okay, how was your burger? How was the club? Made any other pillowcase?
Pause it, please. I made this.
Yep, another pillowcase.
It says I Heart Cruises.
Very cool. So you had a fun day?
Uh-huh.
Lots of time in the club?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Is that all you got?
No, on the island I had some very good pizza making businesses.
Oh, yes. Very cool.
Where was the oven?
Okay, so you had a good day?
Uh-huh.
Cool. About everything?
Yes.
Okay. Darling,
Yes.
how was your dinner?
Dinner was delicious, as always. I had the mushroom tart to start.
Me too.
Very, very good, as always. And we both had the prime rib, which was also very, very good. The one difference that we had was we had the portobello mushroom dish as well. It came with lentils and green sauce. It was really, really good. I highly recommend that one as a lighter note dish.
It was good. And then we both had the sticky date pudding.
Yeah,
We were very predictable this evening, but it was a good meal.
it was good.
And it was really good to have Karina back after a couple of nights of her being sick, so
Everything went super smooth.
it was a really nice, quick dinner service tonight.
Yeah, and she did some magic tricks for Christian, so
And we will see her one more time in the morning, so yeah. Love her.
I did a magic trick
Oh,
where I
yes.
put a crayon into my shirt.
Yeah, it was magic. So we are waiting up on deck 5 for the sea real soon that starts in like 25-ish minutes. And then we will be calling it a night, and then I think we are going to tack breakfast on to today's video.
it's shipping super quick.
But for now, we're going to listen to the piano player.
Arriving on our magic carpet from a whole new world, please welcome Princess Jasmine! All the way from her enchanted castle, it is Princess Belle!
I love you guys.
And of course, he's your favorite party animal, it's Bruno! You first met him on deck and he danced his way into your heart. Here comes the very own diva musician fantasy, it's Daisy! Delicious. And of course, our very number one girl, Vanessa Madonna! Uh-oh, here comes double trouble, it's those cheeky chipmunks, Chip and Dave! And of course, last but by no means least, everybody's favourite pals, Captain Mickey and Minnie Mouse!
So, Bella did not have dessert at dinner, so she's got one more ice cream cone. A lot between bits in the See You Real Soon show, right? We're going back down to our spot.
To bid a royal farewell to Miriya, Jasmine, and Princess Belle. Farewell. And of course, let's say goodbye to Jibbadoo! Goodbye, Jibbadoo! He's our number one. Let me hear you say number one! Number one! Number one! You're number one, Donald! And of course, our very own diva say ta-ta, Daisy! Ta-ta, Daisy! Say ciao for now, Pluto! Ciao, Pluto! Say good night, Goofy! Good night, Goofy! And of course here, we never say goodbye to our friends Mickey and Minnie. Here, we like to say, see you real soon. So on the count of three, let me hear you shout, see you real soon. 1, 2, 3! See you real soon! See you real soon, Captains Mickey and Minnie. Well, everyone, on behalf of our Captain Leslie, our cruise director Jimmy, all of the officers, cast and crew, we sincerely like to thank you for sending us here on board. We wish each and every one of you a happy holidays. Have a safe journey home tomorrow. And Disney Fantasy, we'll see ya real soon!
Bella got the waffle. Daddy got Southern hash and is trying to have Evie not eat it.
Thank you. Ham and cheese and one extra.
Oh, Evie and Red are eating Christian's eggs for the road. And I got the French toast and my muesli. Goodbye, Disney Fantasy. Off the ship officially. Goodbye, beautiful boat.